The PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Street Electric Bike is an impressive and robust electric bicycle that blends power, comfort, and versatility, making it a standout choice for riders seeking both performance and adventure. Equipped with a 960W high-torque brushless motor, this e-bike delivers strong acceleration and smooth pedal assist support, easily handling inclines, rough trails, and street commuting with confidence. Whether you're navigating city streets or venturing into off-road terrain, the Boxer Street feels responsive and reliable. A key highlight is its 48V20 high-capacity battery, which provides generous range on a full charge. Riders can expect long rides without frequent recharging, making it a practical option for daily commuting or weekend explorations. The battery's efficient energy delivery also ensures consistent power output in various riding conditions. The 26 inches x 4 inches fat tires are another major plus. These oversized, rugged tires offer excellent traction and stability across sand, snow, gravel, and uneven surfaces, contributing to a balanced and secure riding experience. Combined with the full suspension system, the bike absorbs bumps effectively, giving a smoother, more comfortable ride even on rough terrain. Whether you're tackling mountain trails or cruising along beach paths, the suspension and tire setup work in harmony to reduce fatigue and increase control. Comfort and rider experience are front of mind with ergonomic handlebar grips, a cushioned saddle, and intuitive control interface. Braking performance is solid, providing confidence and safety when navigating stops or challenging conditions. Lastly, the inclusion of a 2-year warranty is a reassuring touch, highlighting the manufacturer's confidence in build quality and offering peace of mind for buyers. Overall, the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Street Electric Bike is a powerful, comfort-oriented e-bike that delivers great value. It's ideal for riders who want a versatile electric bike capable of both everyday use and adventurous excursions.